Hi buddy, I hope you're well. Today I am at the beautiful Chicheley Hall in Newport Pagnell. It's a beautiful venue. So first of all, I'd like to thank Chicheley Hall for inviting me to come and make videos at their amazing venue. I really appreciate it. Also, massive thanks to my friend Horatiu, who has set up this shoot, and his wife Cosmina, and Tina, the hair and makeup artist, who have done an amazing job with our models today. So yeah, big thank you to them. In today's video, I'm going to create 3 different images on this staircase. I know from being a wedding photographer for many years that for some reason couples love staircases. I'm not always the biggest fan, but this is a beautiful one, as you can see behind me. So what I thought I'd do is make a video where I'm going to try and take 3 different shots utilizing the same staircase. And I'm going to use a mixture of natural light and off-camera flash. So let's crack on. So we are here now, we have Cosmina. Thank you, Cosmina, don't run away. Thank you, Cosmina, you've done an amazing job on Georgia's makeup. This is Georgia, Instagram will be on the screen, and this is Horatiu. Thank you very much, Horatiu, for helping me. So yeah, this is the staircase that we have. It's a beautiful staircase, and it's one that you might see at many wedding venues, this type of staircase. And I guarantee if you do have a venue with a staircase like this, at some point, a couple is going to say, oh, can we do a shot on the staircase? It just seems to be what happens. So I'm going to show you what I would do here. So 2 of the shots that I've got in my head are natural light, and we're going to start with that first, and then the third is off-camera flash. The first one, I'm just going to use the light coming from these windows. Now, Horatiu before made a very good point. This is the best window to use, because if we use this window, we've got more light coming in here on Georgia, which is good. However, I would have to position myself quite far down the steps, and I don't want to position myself below the bride. I never want to do that, so I'm probably actually going to use this window here, which although it isn't going to light the bottom of the dress, means that I can shoot from above Georgia up here. So, Georgia, if I can ask you to come down the stairs. Da, 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 da.
Try not to fall.
Not this stage, you can fall at the end of the shoot, that's fine. Again, Georgia's Instagram is on the screen. We haven't worked together before, but she's been amazing so far. Perfect, so what I'm going to ask you to do, Georgia, please, is just stand with, sort of facing this way, so away from the light slightly, and then just looking back towards the light. So you'd be one, actually, so a bit further away, if that's right, and then you're facing these flowers with your body, but then just looking back towards, that's it, yeah. So instantly, Georgia is now in beautiful light. So just looking towards the light, please, Georgia. Beautiful. Just trying to compose so that frame behind Georgia isn't interfering with her too much. Beautiful. And then just looking straight at me. Amazing. The light here is really nice. It's quite cool, but we can warm that in post. Gorgeous, Georgia. And I'll just move a bit further back. Whenever I do this, I will always move myself around. You can see if I shoot here, we're getting a little bit of the bokeh from these flowers, whatever these are. So I've got to f1.8 because I'm going to shoot through those. Gorgeous, Georgia. Just looking towards that light again. Beautiful. Looking forward to getting married later, Georgia?
I wish.
If Georgia's partner's watching, it has been mentioned. Amazing. There's a couple more there. Actually, let's just take a full length shot because the light here is gorgeous. Yeah, that's really nice. Gorgeous. Yeah, really pleased with that. As I always will do, once you've got your safe shot, might as well just change the lens. I'm going to go from the 35 to the 135. Up here. Don't know why I've got my bag up there when we're going to be shooting down here, but never mind. Should just say actually before we go any further, Horatiu here repping the brand. We're very, very pleased and proud to have Horatiu as a Flashmasters member. His work, you've shown me some of his latest images before, is incredible. Go and give him a follow. Gorgeous, Georgia. Can I ask you just to bring your left arm just a bit in, if that's okay? That's it, yeah. Get him at 1.8 ISO 400, 800 shutter speed. These are gorgeous. Get really beautiful classical portraits, and all you need for these is beautiful light and a model as good as Georgia. I mean, I must admit, I'm not saying anything to Georgia because she clearly doesn't need it. So it is cheating a little bit, but you get the idea. Okay, that's shot 1 done. Number 2, not really sure exactly how this is going to look yet, but I would like to go up here and shoot directly above Georgia, who will be here. In fact, do you mind if we come grab a veil? Yeah. If that is okay. Big thank you again to Cosmina, who has not only made Georgia look amazing. Again, not that Georgia needed makeup. This is really hard. But she's done an incredible job with Georgia's makeup. And now is doing an incredible job with this. Probably actually could mean that probably going to be too high, I think. Yeah, that's it, yeah. This is going to look good. There's one other thing I'd just like to do. It's easier for me to, because you can't see up down there. You've done a brilliant job. It just needs a little bit pulling round. This little bit, yeah. Yeah, oh God. Holes. You'll see it. Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah.
Got a different camera person this time. Better than Horatiu. Yeah, one thing I will say about this shot is that in an ideal world, I'd use a video light, just to put a little bit of light onto Georgia, because at the moment, I'm at f2.8, ISO 1600, 200 my shutter speed. But having said that, it still looks amazing. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm guessing this will be in the thumbnail. Gorgeous, Georgia. So just before I was going to go down and do the off-camera flash photograph, I stood over here and looked at Georgia from this direction. Thought, oh, this, because the pose is so good, it's almost like addictive to keep on shooting, thinking, what else can we do? So I thought, if I shoot through here, then we also get like some nice foreground bokeh as well. So I'm gonna go wide open, 1600, go down to 800 ISO, and we'll go here. Gorgeous, Georgia. I'm trying to just fill the foreground with this gold. Beautiful. This is like cheating, to be honest. Having a venue like this and a model like this. Beautiful. Amazing. So they were all on my 85mm f1.8. We will now go downstairs and do the off-camera flash shot.
Just to remind you, all the photographs that you see in my videos were edited using my Lightroom preset pack, which you can download from my website. The pack includes my presets, brushes, magic masks, and a 100-minute editing tutorial video in which I show you exactly how I edit my photographs.
So for shot number 3, although I've taken lots of different shots, for setup number 3, we're going to introduce off-camera flash. We have Georgia on the stairs and she looks beautiful. The dress looks really nice here, how it's hanging down. Again, thank you to Cosmina and Horatiu for putting the dress there. I've not really done anything, I must admit. So when it comes to off-camera flash portraits, I'd always recommend that you first of all take a photograph with no flash at all. A base layer of just natural light. And what I'm going to do is expose for the brightest part of this scene. Now I'm going to shoot this very wide on my 1635mm. So the brightest part of this scene is probably going to be either the window up there or the chandelier over here. Now bear in mind, this will mean that Georgia is going to be underexposed, but that won't matter because we will be introducing off-camera flash. So I want to keep my shutter speed at 200 because that is the sync speed of my camera, and if I go faster than that, then it means I'm going to be in high-speed sync, and that just might have issues with recycle times. So I'm going to drop my ISO very low. I'm going to go to 100 and I'm at 2.8, and that means that I've now got all the detail in this scene. Georgia is, as I predicted, very underexposed, but that doesn't matter because we're going to introduce an off-camera flash, and we're going to do that using the Magbox Pro 24 Octa. It's a beautiful softbox, this, and remember, the larger the light source, the softer the light will be. So by using a softbox, we're making the light very soft, which is really good, especially for bridal portraits like this. So what I'd like to do is short light Georgia, and what basically that means, I would like the light source to be coming from here, so when Georgia looks over this way, the light is hitting her from here. So if you're able to, Horatiu, actually stand right where I am, and then light the top half, that's that, yeah. And if you can be looking back towards that light source, please. Georgia. Oh, this looks really nice. This is gorgeous, yeah. Now, the key thing for this photograph is that I remain very still whilst taking it because Horatiu is in the shot. No offense to Horatiu, he's a beautiful man, but the end result won't have Horatiu in, so I'm going to composite out Horatiu afterwards. So to do that, I need to take a shot with Horatiu in, then Horatiu out. And the hardest thing of this is remembering to stay still. The speed light is on, it's speed light 8, at the moment it's on 132 pounds. I'm going to just switch that up to 16. So 1/16, that's good. Can I also, just as a test, please, George, ask you with your left hand just to lift up the veil, if that's okay, and just be sort of like holding that out slightly for me. That's gorgeous, yes. That's it, yeah. And then looking back towards the light as you do that. These are beautiful. Last one, I'm gonna turn the speed light up. Basically, I'm buying myself options here, and Georgia's done brilliant. And last one for good luck. Gorgeous. Okay, Horatiu, if I can ask you to lead the scene, if that's all right? No offense. So here are my favourite photographs from today's shoot. A massive thank you to the whole team who has made this possible, to our beautiful venue, Chicheley Hall, to Georgia over here who's been amazing, to Kosmina, the makeup artist, camera woman extraordinaire as well, and to the main man over here, Horatiu, who set up the whole day. Remember, Instagrams for all the amazing people in today's team are on the screen now, and please do go and follow them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question about anything I've done in this video, please do let me know in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well, because this is a very practical video, because we all come across, when we're wedding photographers, things like this. So hopefully it's giving you some ideas. So any questions, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you very much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Boom.